Friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see fourth standard looking around environmental studies in the chapter number 19. Let's eat together. Main 1. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. What did the children decide to do on returning to school after vacation? A. A sports event. B. A cultural program. C. A party. D. Celebrate a festival. Answer is option C. A party. Now see the second one. What is the festival Uttarayan about? A. About bursting crackers. B. About making sweets. C. About flying kites. And D. About colors. Answer is option C. About flying kites. Now see the third one. Which festival is celebrated as the festival of colors? A. Holi Dhuleti. B. Diwali. C. Christmas. And D. Eid. Answer is option A. Holi Dhuleti. See the number 4. Which of the following is a festival of love between brothers and sisters? A. Uttarayan. B. Raksha Bandhan. C. Dasera. And D. Diwali. Answer is option B. Raksha Bandhan. Number 5. Which of the following festival is celebrated on a special day according to the Gujarati calendar? A. Uttarayan. B. Christmas. C. Diwali. And D. Independence Day. Answer is option C. Diwali festival is celebrated according to the Gujarati calendar. Now see number 6. Which of the following festival is celebrated on a special day according to the English calendar? A. Diwali. B. Christmas. C. Janmashtami. And D. Dasera. Answer is option B. Christmas is celebrated on a special day according to the English calendar. Number 7. Which of the following vegetables is not used in Undhiyu? A. Potatoes. B. Sweet potatoes. C. Runner beans means papdi. And D. Bitter gourd. Answer is option D. Bitter gourd. Now see main 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. 1. Undhiyu and jalebi are eaten to celebrate blanks festival. Answer is Uttarayan festival. Undhiyu and jalebi are eaten to celebrate Uttarayan festival. Number 2. The festival of crackers is a Diwali. Now see the third one. 15th August is celebrated as a blanks festival. Answer is a national festival. Number 4. Apart from studying, qualities and skills are developed in a school by doing various activities. See number 5. The food given to children in a school in the afternoon is known as the blanks midday meals. The food given to children in a school in the afternoon is known as the midday meals. Number 6. Christmas is a festival of Christian. Christmas is a festival of Christian. Now see the next page. Now see number 7. Popcorn, puffed rice and dates are eaten during blanks festival. Answer is Holi Dhuleti festival. Popcorn, puffed rice and dates are eaten during the Holi Dhuleti festival. Number 8. Republic Day is celebrated on blanks. Answer is 26th January. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Main 3. Put a right mark in front of the statements that are true and wrong in front of those that are false. Number 1. Midday meals are served in all government schools at 11 a.m. False, wrong. Number 2. Independence Day is our national festival. So, right, true. Number 3. People eat fafda jalebi on Dasera. True, right. Number 4. we celebrate Janmashtami in order to enjoy various sweetmeats. False. Wrong. Number 5. Raksha Bandhan is also known as Rakhi or Bali. It's a true. Right. Now see the sixth one. The festival of Bhai Beej is celebrated by a get together of the people of the community. It's a wrong. False. Number 7. A student is molded into an ideal citizen in school. It's a true. Now see main 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from column B in the answer column. First of all, see column A. Number 1, Uttarayan. 2, Dasera. 3, Holi Dhuleti. 4th one, Diwali. And column B. A, water gun and colors. B, lamps, lighting and sweets. C, sweets and cake. D, kites, undhiyu and chiki. E, fafda jalebi. Now see first one, Uttarayan. Uttarayan match with the D, kites, undhiyu and chiki. Dasera. Dasera match with the E, fafda, jalebi. On Dasera people it's fafda and jalebi. So match with the E, fafda and jalebi. Third one, Holi Dhuleti. Water gun and colors. Fourth one, Diwali. Diwali match with the lamps, lighting and sweets. Diwali match with the lamps, lighting and sweets. Now see main 5. Answer the following questions as asked. Number 1. With the help of a calendar of a diary, make a list of festivals and celebrations that will happen during the year. Write any 8. Now see New Year, Bhai Beej, Dev Diwali, Christmas, Uttarayan, then Republic Day, Mahashivratri, Holi Dhuleti, Ram Navami, Rath Yatra, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Independence Day, Ramzan Eid, Navratri, Dasera and Diwali. Now see the next page. See the question number 2. Name the festivals which are celebrated by all the people together. That festivals that all the people celebrate as together. So write any 7 names. Diwali, New Year, Uttarayan, Holi Dhuleti, Janmashtami, Dasera, Navratri, etc. are the festivals that are celebrated by all the people together. Now we will see the main 6 in the next video, part 2. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.